So hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. So this video going to be a short one. Just I want to share some solution related or fix something. So this is my RedGear Pro Wireless joystick. So I have made a video about this one, a long-term review like 3 years back or something. So I have bought this almost 5 years back in 2021. I bought this one, but recently I was playing this. And she's just speaking. Okay, so this joystick I've been using as a primary one for when connecting to the PC, along with that my PS4 joystick to connect in the PC. So I have made a different video. You can watch all the video in here and even in the description of this video. But the problem that I have faced straight to the point is that I was playing here, see, and then here this button is blinking, which means the joystick is not actually connected to the PC. So here now it is connected, you can see, and I can make some changes. Here you can see it is working, right? So with this, if I open it here and if I am playing for some time, it is actually getting disconnected from the computer. Sometime it is working, sometime it is getting disconnected. Even if I have, see, now it got disconnected. So sometimes it is working fine, it's automatically getting connected. I thought initially that this will be the battery related issue, so I have fully charged the device and even I was playing that, but it didn't work. So and then I thought there's some other interferences there. Here I have actually the dongle, some interferences there, so I have directly nearby only I have tried it, but still it had this issue. Later on I just found that I have recently installed this tool like called PS4 or DS4 for Windows, which is used to convert this PS4 joystick into the Xbox One, and which we can use it in the PC to detect inside the games. I thought see, I thought that is the issue. The tool is somewhat disconnecting and connecting the Bluetooth, but that also not an issue. So I have tried to uninstall it and tried it, but still I had this issue. Even I thought some RedGear driver got corrupted or something related to Windows issue or something. I debugged all the things. Okay, finally the issue that is actually is this particular dongle. So this dongle now, as I was continuously playing some 8 hours, 10 hours, the laptop is getting heat. So due to that it also got heat, I believe. This got damaged inside the chip or something. So actually the easy solution that I have found is like when you bought this particular controller, you will get two dongles, right? So this particular dongle I have when you buy this controller, you will get 2 dongles. So most probably if you have some issues with your controller disconnecting continuously, if you tried other methods and if it is not working, or else first and foremost you just take the other what I would say dongle and try it, right? So now I can turn on, it's connected perfectly fine, and it is not at all disconnecting. So I have played with this new dongle almost 5-6 hours continuously. It was working fine. Also this is the actual solution if you are looking for to fix this one. But if you want some long-term review after 5 years, it is still working fine, and battery backup also somewhat 5 to 6 hours I am getting. I didn't fully check it, but battery backup is actually good. Only some problem is some buttons now, it has some response delay, like this particular button sometime this sound is fine, but if I hold it sometime it is not fully holding, it is just cutting off, and this one. So this is maybe due to that the long term use of this particular button for all the controls, like in God of War or some other game. This is the main LB button to use it for multiple operations. Due to that it got some issues, but still it works fine. Other than that, it just good purchase. So overall it's a good purchase, and if you face any issues or something, just let me know in the comment section. Only drawback of this joystick is just still uses the micro USB controller. So yeah, that's all about this video. If you like, just leave a like and subscribe to this channel TechFanciers. So that's what about it. Code motto. Bye. I'll be playing this game.